So here's the flow of the retargeting, okay? This is going on in the background of your farm all the time, okay? What this does not include, which we'll go over next month, is the Google network, because all of this stuff is going to be on Google as well, okay? Google's actually a little bit easier to deal with, believe it or not. And then it all goes into your CRM. So this is what's happening when someone fills out a contact form or registration on that, right? And we're going to go over these action steps too, right? When they're in your CRM, they're going to be tagged as a newsletter. We're going to send out a newsletter on your behalf every single month, right? They're still going to see the home value. They're still going to get a postcard. They're going to get the Google blogs and the YouTube. They're going to get just listed, just sold images. They're going to get videos that you make on market reports. You're doing a handwritten card, a text, and a personalized CMA.